choosing the best laptop for beginners can be quite difficult. Anyone can get confused by the numerous options available in the market, and if you are a beginner, we understand how confusing you may be feeling before putting your money into anything. Thus, to help you make an informed decision, in today's video, we are going to showcase the top 5 best laptops for beginners that you might want to check out before your next purchase. Starting at number 5, we have the Asus Chromebook C523, an ultra-portable, lightweight, and budget-friendly Chromebook for the students and those who are always on the go. Weighing about 3.15 pounds, it feels really light and easy to carry in the bag. Plus, the 15.6-inch HD display comes with a slim and narrow bezel, which is perfect if you are researching something on the web. Under the hood, it comes with an Intel Celeron processor, 4GB of RAM, and 32GB of storage. And as it runs on Chrome OS, which uses less resources, therefore it runs very fast and can boot up in just 7 seconds. For such a big screen, it can give you 7 hours of battery backup, which is quite astonishing. And as for the ports, you will get 2 USB-A, 2 USB-C ports, a micro SD slot, and a headphone jack to save you from needing to carry dongles with you. So if you are a student or always on the go and looking for a Chromebook, you should definitely consider the Asus Chromebook C523. Coming at number 4, we have the Lenovo Ideapad 3, an entry-level laptop for beginners which is great for home entertainment or running some small businesses. As for the display, it comes with a 15.6-inch HD display with much slimmer and narrow bezel, which is perfect if you are watching Netflix and YouTube. Plus, with Dolby Audio, you will love what you hear as well as what you see. Moreover, the combination of AMD Ryzen 3 processor, integrated Vega 3 graphics, 4GB of RAM and 120GB of SSD is perfect whether you are working on your personal budget or preparing a spreadsheet, and the handy numeric keypad will speed up your productivity. Additionally, it comes with a physical shutter button on the webcam for your peace of mind and also offers plenty of ports including HDMI, 3 USB ports, a headphone jack, and a SD card reader to easily transfer movies and other important files. Overall, the Lenovo Ideapad 3 is a great entry-level budget laptop for home entertainment, running small businesses or anyone who's looking for a computer for everyday tasks. At number 3, we have the Acer Swift 3, which offers mind-blowing performance for relatively low price and can be ideal if you're into lightweight gaming or multitasking. It weighs just 2.65 pounds and comes with a beautiful 14-inch Full HD display with an impressive 82.73% screen-to-body ratio, perfect for lightweight gaming, video playback, and streaming. In terms of performance, it packs Ryzen 7 octa-core processor combined with Radeon graphics, 8GB of RAM, and massive 512GB of SSD to help you in multitasking, CPU-related tasks, or in lightweight gaming. You can play most of the modern games in medium settings without breaking a sweat. Battery life is also very good in this laptop. You can easily get 10 hours of battery backup in most of your works, and it also comes with an embedded fingerprint reader for faster and secure unlocking. Finally, if you want to do some lightweight gaming on a thin and lightweight laptop without spending a lot, the Acer Swift 3 is less likely to disappoint you. Coming at number 2, we have the new Surface Laptop 4 from Microsoft, which is a big jump up from the previous model and can be an ideal business laptop for the beginners. In terms of build, it's a very lightweight laptop and weighs only 2.79 pounds, which is great if you are a business person and have to travel a lot. As for the display, it comes with a 13.5-inch touch display with 3:2 aspect ratio. The screen is razor sharp and offers you more room while working with the display. The keyboard and the trackpad are also one of the best in any laptop. Performance-wise, it's a big upgrade from the previous model. It combines AMD Ryzen 5 processor with Radeon graphics, 8GB of RAM, and 256GB of SSD to make sure you can handle your day-to-day workloads quickly and efficiently. Moreover, it has an excellent battery life of 11 hours, making it easy for you to work remotely, whether from home, the airport, a client's office, or a hotel. If you are a beginner and looking for a laptop for business purpose but don't have any idea which one to get, then you can consider the Surface Laptop 4. Finally, at number 1, we have the M1 MacBook Air from Apple, which is the best laptop you can buy because it's a device that does just everything right. It comes with a 13.3-inch Retina display, which can produce sharp and accurate colors, which is perfect if you're into content creation. As for the performance, it comes with the new M1 chip with 8-core CPU and 7-core GPU, allowing you to handle extraordinarily intensive tasks like professional quality 4K video editing. Moreover, it comes with up to 16GB of RAM and up to 2TB of SSD, which allows apps to share data between CPU and GPU efficiently, so everything you do is fast and fluid. Battery backup is also very good. You can easily get 10 hours of backup in almost all the scenarios. For port, you get two Thunderbolt 3 that does pretty good for fast power delivery and data transfer. In conclusion, if you are into 4K video editing and content creation but don't know which MacBook to buy, you should definitely go with the M1 MacBook Air, which is a steal considering its price. So that was all about the top 5 best laptops for beginners. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.